Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you some alarm vocabulary in Ukrainian language. I'm sure you heard about the kamikaze drones attack and shellings in Ukraine during the October 2022. And I think this vocabulary will be very useful for you and perhaps it will save somebody's life. So, поїхали. Let's get started. Guys, I need to tell you that recently I got braces on the lower row of teeth. You see? And now it is difficult for me to speak and my pronunciation is not really good. You can see I will speak like this a little bit, but it's just a matter of time and very soon I will speak clearly, but I can't wait and I want to record more and more video lessons for you, so please be patient. And I'm sorry for not pronouncing very well in English, because I think in Ukrainian I speak better with braces. So the first word that I'm going to teach you is вибух. Вибух. It means explosion or blast. Вибух. The next expression is повітряна тривога. Повітряна тривога. It means air raid siren or civil defense siren. Повітряна тривога. The next word is ракета. Ракета. Rocket or missile. Ракета. Okay. Drone means drone. Drone. Dr. Yeah, perhaps this combination of letters is difficult for you, but you can practice it. Drone. Drone. Because we have here hard consonants in Ukrainian language. D and R. Drone. Okay. Sirena. Siren. Sirena. Sirena. Guys, if you are going to Ukraine or if you are in Ukraine, I highly recommend you to set up this app, and with the help of it you can hear you can actually get notifications about sirens in every region of Ukraine, and I have it, and yes, it is very useful, although it wakes me up all the time because we have sirens very often at night. Okay, but it is very useful. Укриття. Укриття means shelter. Укриття. So please pay attention when you are in Ukraine and you're walking through the streets, and very often you can see the sign укриття, and you can find it in some basements, in the bars, cafes that are located on the first floor. So please remember where you can see the sign, because when you will hear sirena, you can hide there and you can save your life. Бомбардування. It's a difficult word, but let's take some time to pronounce it, and let's divide it into syllables. Бомбардування. Бомбардування. Bombing. Бомбардування. Бомбардування. Please repeat after me. Обстріл. Shelling. Обстріл. Shelling. Обстріл. The next one. Артилерійський снаряд. Difficult, I know, but learning the language isn't easy, so please take your time. Артилерійський снаряд. Артилерійський снаряд. Господи, Артилерійський снаряд. Wow, it sounds like a tongue twister. Artillery shell. Артилерійський снаряд. Окей. Міна. Landmine. Міна. Міна. Thank God it's easier. Міна. Авіаційний удар. Air strike. Авіаційний удар. Авіаційний удар. Підвал. Basement. Підвал. Підвал. Also, you can hide in the basement. So in any apartment building, you can find підвал. And if you see the sign підвал, then you can hide there if there is авіаційний удар, or you can see артилерійський снаряд або обстріл, so it will save your life. By the way, you can see today I have this beautiful hoodie and it is written on it Kherson, and I'm from Kherson and it is currently occupied, but soon it will be liberated with Ukrainian army. So if you want to support people who are there in occupation, who suffer without food, medicine, or any other humanitarian aid, you can go to my website. This is a charity store. Buy a t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life, buy this beautiful hoodie and save lives there. And there are hoodies with different cities, Kyiv, Donetsk, Dnipro, Kharkiv, etc. So, and you can find different variants on your taste. Крилаті ракети. Cruise missile. Крилаті ракети. Крилаті ракети. Точкові удари. Surgical strikes. Точкові удари. Точкові удари. And the last abbreviation that I would like to teach you is PPO. PPO means in Ukrainian language as протиповітряна оборона. Протиповітряна оборона, and it is translated as anti-aircraft warfare or air defense. PPO. So please ask your governments to give more PPO to Ukraine, because again they can I think I repeated this phrase many times today, but let it be, save our lives, save our buildings. So it is very important to have it more in Ukraine. So please go on your Twitter, any other social media, and write about the request to send more PPO to Ukraine. So it is very important to us. So guys, thank you for your attention. You can support me and my channel through the PayPal, through the Patreon, or here on YouTube you can just click the bottom thanks, and I really appreciate for your support. It is very important to me. And if you want to learn Ukrainian language, please visit my website speaky.com. There you can find individual lessons, courses, flashcards, textbooks, free resources. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Дуже дякую. And as we say in Ukraine, бажаю вам мирного неба. So you can use this expression when you talk with your Ukrainian friends, relatives, family. And it is a very popular phrase right now. Бажаю вам мирного неба. It means I wish you the peaceful sky. Бажаю мирного неба. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Your teacher Ina and Papa. Bye bye.